Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss an important update from your favorite Telegram channels, enabling notifications is the way to go. Today, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to turn on channel notifications in the Telegram app, so you always stay in the loop. First, grab your phone and open the Telegram app. Once you're on the main screen, look through your chat list and find the channel you want to receive notifications from. Tap on the channel to open it. Now at the top of the channel screen, you'll see either the channel's picture or its name. Tap on this area. It will take you to the channel's info page. Here, you'll find all the details about the channel, including its members and media. On the channel info page, look for the notification switch. This is usually displayed as a bell icon or a toggle switch, depending on your device and Telegram version. If notifications are currently off, the switch will appear grayed out or crossed. Simply tap the switch to turn notifications on. When enabled, it should light up or change color, indicating that you'll now receive alerts for new posts from this channel. That's it. You've successfully enabled notifications for your chosen Telegram channel. From now on, every time there's a new update, you'll get a notification right on your device, so you won't miss a thing. If you ever want to customize the types of notifications you get, you can tap on the notifications section again and adjust the settings to your preference. Telegram lets you choose whether you want to receive all messages, only mentions, or mute notifications entirely for specific times. Staying updated with your favorite channels is that simple. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your Telegram experience with timely updates from the channels that matter most to you.